Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful animated save the date wedding invitation video in Canva from start to finish. Let's jump straight into Canva and get started. A lot of you have been asking for an opening envelope animation effect, so this is what we are going to be designing today. We'll start by creating a new design in Canva and opening a mobile video size for our canvas. You'll notice that our video canvas has a few sections below where you can add and edit your media, your audio, and different elements. We'll start by selecting a background for our video. So I'm just going to go under Elements and find a photo that I like, or you can upload your own if you have one in mind. You'll see that the photo that you added will be visible under your media below, where you can adjust your timing. And then we'll search for an envelope, and we are going to be looking for two separate parts. We'll need the bottom part of the envelope, kind of like this one, and then the top one, which you can always use an open envelope and just cut the bottom part so we are left with the triangle shape. Okay, this lace one is maybe not the style I'm going for, so let me just quickly find one that matches my vision better. Okay, perfect. Then you can decide if you want the envelope to open from top to bottom or from left to right, and turn your elements accordingly. You'll want to make sure to stretch it to the full size of your canvas and find a nice balanced center. Now this is looking just a little bit plain, so I want to add some decorative elements like a wax seal or some flowers, just to immediately make it more on theme. And you'll want to group those elements with the top part of the envelope. So you just click on the elements and select Group to make sure everything will move simultaneously. And now it's time to add the animation. So if you click on your grouped elements, you can select Animate from the top bar. And you'll want to choose the Create Custom Animation. You'll have all the instructions appear here on your left, but essentially you just need to move the element where you want it to be animated. So I'm just slowly going to slide it straight to our right side until it disappears from the canvas, and then do the same thing with the bottom part of the envelope, but move it to the left. You can always adjust movement styles of your animation and speed as well, so you can create a smooth transition. And there we have our opening envelope animation, which takes us to the next part and actually designing our digital invitation. And I want my details to be on like a very textured paper. So I'm gonna look for paper under our elements. And maybe add a dove illustration to make it extra cute and personal. Another really fun way to add animation to your designs in Canva is if you click on your graphic and go under Edit, you'll find Image to Video under your tools. So let's see what it can create with our dove illustration. Oh, I absolutely love that. Now we just need to remove the background. And I want to add a slight animation, maybe a pan, so that it kind of floats from left to right and looks like it's flying over. Perfect. Now let's add a text block. And for the beginning, I just wanted to say save the date, so it's instantly clear what this invitation is about. We can add slight animation to the text as well. I will use fade just to give it that extra touch. We can then duplicate the text box to add in more details. I'm moving it after the first one, so it appears right after the Save the Date text box disappears. In the second text box, I will add the main information. So in this case, the announcement that the couple is getting married. You can always preview your video so you can check if all the timing and animations are positioned correctly. If you want to keep it simple, you can just continue adding the details in the text boxes, but I want it a bit more fun and animated, so I'm going to add another card or paper element for the additional details. This blush pink one goes perfectly with our theme, so I'm going to add our date and location information on it, and maybe some initials, or if you have like a wedding logo, or just some additional decoration to make it look like you envisioned it. And then I want to group all of these elements because I will add some animation and I want everything to work as one paper card. Okay, this is where I want it to land. So I can create a custom animation to make it slide from our right and in front of our original paper. I need to make it smoother and find the right speed, often checking the preview to make sure everything looks nice and goes in the pace that's easily readable. I don't want the little dove to be in the same space for the entire video, so I'm going to duplicate the element and animate the second one so it looks like the dove is flying away with custom animation. Perfect. I decided to add another card with a little note just saying, "Hope you can join us," which I combined with the photo of the couple and applied the same animation effect as I did on the other card. Okay, we're almost there. It's time to check all the elements appear at the right time and in the right layer so nothing is covering important information, and make sure that everyone has enough time to read all the important details. Now you could leave it as is, or you can add a closing envelope at the end, which we can do just by duplicating the first two elements. But we are going to switch the direction of the animation. So instead of the envelope opening, we want it closing. And you want to make sure that all of your end elements finish at the same time. Making this kind of animated videos is mainly about adjusting timing, so just make sure to rewatch it to not miss any mistakes or overlaps. If you click on Add Audio, you can also add music to your video. You can use the ones from pre-uploaded library, or you can upload your own. For this case, I'm just going to type in wedding and find a nice romantic melody to go with our invitation. Once you're happy with your video, all you need to do is share, select download as MP4 video, click download to get the file, and your video is ready to share. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Brescia. And on this channel, I share easy to follow design tips alongside with Squarespace and Canva tutorials to help you feel more confident and creative as you bring your designs to life. Thank you for watching and happy creating.